So I have a quick channel update for you guys, and I'm hoping many of you will appreciate this. As you know, I do a lot of technical guides and demonstrations and projects that I find interesting to do, and just to try to teach different things or just experiment with different things. As you know, I also do a lot of sponsor videos with different products that I just like playing with tech and learning about it. And I want to share my experiences with you guys. So I decided to create a second channel called Home Network Tech, where I'll just feature all of the products there in more detail and just more talking about the specifications and maybe a quick setup guide where it might be good and useful to use this or not use this product. And so I can focus purely on the product aspect of the things I get sponsored. And then I'll keep this channel focused more on just technical guides and projects using that sponsored hardware. So what I'll end up doing is when I use those sorts of things in my Home Network Guide channel on this channel, I will just briefly mention the product, potentially why I'm using it, and then just actually use it in the video. So that way the product is less of the focus in the video, and the project itself or whatever technical guide I'm working on is more of the focus. And that kind of eliminates that tension between how much do I talk about the product and show it since it was a sponsored item versus my technical guide and content, which I really like doing that the most. But I wanted to have that distinction between this is going to be focused on the products, and then I'm going to have a guide or project focused on this channel, so that I have those two things separated and they're not competing interests against each other. So, and then I'll refer back to each other whenever it's appropriate. And there's gonna be some things that just don't lend themselves well to projects. Like sometimes I get like a gaming keyboard or something I think is interesting to try out just to see what the current tech is out there. I like looking at these things. I might just only keep that on the Home Network Tech channel because I can't really do a guide or technical demonstration of it in the same way as I could as building out a full network or something like that. I already have Home Network Tech set up, and I put my first video out there on the WaveShare 10-inch 8U mini rack. If you want to like and subscribe, and so I can get that channel rolling if you're interested in learning my experiences on various products that I get. So until the next video, I'll catch you guys later.